Hey guys, welcome to DMPT 2130 Advanced Vector Graphics. My name is Jason Dixon and I will be your instructor this semester. What I want to do real quick is just give you a general overview of the Blackboard course, talk to you a little bit how this semester will run and what's expected of you. And if you have any questions, definitely shoot me an email and let me know. When you log into the Blackboard course, the first thing that you're going to see every week is the announcements. I will upload a new announcement every week, and basically what the announcements are going to do is let you know what's going to be taking place that week and give you any kind of directions about where to go and what folders or what sections to check out. If you take a look over in the top left hand corner, you're going to see the course navigation where we have announcements, start here, classroom, email. If you need to send me an email, click on this link right here, dashboard, help, and so on and so on. We also have the virtual office hour, which you can click on. The office hour and dates and times will be on your specific syllabus. They could change from semester to semester, so make sure that you pay attention to the times that are stated on your syllabus. Also can get to the grades. There is a class YouTube page which has a lot of videos on it that I've done for previous semesters if you want to check that out. And there's also a direct link to Google Drive, which we will be using to turn in a few of our projects that are larger than what Blackboard is able to handle. But we won't talk about that right now. We'll get into that a little bit later on. So first thing that we're going to take a look at is the Start Here section. And when you click on Start Here, you're going to see the Read This First Semester Rundown. This section is basically just an overview of the course, some things to take a look at, how each assignment will work and whatnot, and what's going to be expected of you and for you to understand this semester. Immediately after that, you're going to see the course syllabus, and we can select this and take a look up here at this content. This is going to give you all the content that you need in terms of where this class is going to be located. This semester it is an online class. We'll talk a little bit more about that from week to week. Also, the office hours, again, which could change from semester to semester, so make sure that when you click on your specific syllabus that you note when the office hours are. And then if you scroll on down, it's going to talk a little bit about the course description, and it's basically we're going to be looking at some advanced techniques and advanced tools that you'll be using to create vector-based graphics. There are 4 competencies: digital illustration, advanced vector software tools, visual composition, and then additional software, which we will talk about towards the end of the semester when we look at specific digital-based workflows. Now, some things that you're going to need this semester obviously is a computer and access to Illustrator. You probably already have an Adobe Creative Cloud student subscription, so if you have any questions about that, let me know. You also want to make sure that you have a notebook, sketchbook, pens, pencils, different stuff like that. And though it's not required, it is highly recommended. If you are a freehand-based illustrator, I would definitely invest in a graphics tablet. Without a graphics tablet, you're going to have to draw a lot of freehand-based stuff with your mouse. And we'll talk about some tips on doing that, especially if you're going to be using the pen tool or anything like that. But I do recommend a graphics tablet if you are a freehand illustrator. And if you are interested in a graphics tablet, let me know, and I'll point you to a few different ones at different price points. Now, if you scroll on down, you'll see a lot of the content that you'll need to read through or whatnot. And again, it's different from semester to semester, so make sure that you go in and you read through that. Towards the end of the syllabus, you're going to see basically a breakdown of what each week is going to cover. And again, this can change from semester to semester, so make sure that you pay attention to your specific syllabus. Moving on, the Advanced Vector Graphics assignment due dates. you can click on this one as well, and it just gives you a little more of a breakdown of what we're going to cover this semester and the dates that it's going to be covered. So read through this again. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer those. All right. If you go on over to the classroom section, each week a new folder will be accessible, and you can just go in. They're all set up basically the same. When you click into it, it's going to give you an overview about what's going to be accomplished that week. In the lecture section, there will usually be some videos, some demos, maybe some reading content that you'll have to look through or whatnot, and then your assignment, and then even a discussion or a quiz or whatnot. That's usually how every week is laid out. So each week that we get to, a new folder will be added, and then you can go into it and see exactly what you need to accomplish for that week. And again, I'm available for questions whenever. So that's pretty much the course. We will dig a little bit deeper into this from week to week, as I will be uploading new videos and whatnot, and discussing different techniques that we'll be covering this semester. So that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'd be glad to help you in any way that I can. Thanks, guys.